18% of families in the UK own a feline, yet there's still such a lot of that we have barely any familiarity with them. From the uncommon way they stroll, to how huge the biggest feline is, we bet you haven't heard a portion of these pleasant realities about felines. 16 Tomfoolery and fascinating realities about felines. 1. The most seasoned realized pet feline existed quite a while back. French archeologists found a 9,500-year-old feline grave in Cyprus. This spreads the word about the most seasoned pet feline, and it originates before Egyptian workmanship about felines by north of 4,000 years. 2. Felines burn through 70% of their lives resting. As indicated by Veterinary Center, felines really burn through 70% of their lives dozing, which works out to around 13 to 16 hours per day. It's a feline's life. 3. A feline was the city chairman of an Alaskan town for quite a long time. An orange dark stripe, this old Steps was the city chairman of ktten, an unassuming community in the frozen north for quite some time. 4. The record for the longest feline at any point is 48.5 inches. 5. The most extravagant feline on the planet had 7 pounds million. The most extravagant feline on the planet as indicated by Guinness World Records is Blackie. 6. Felines walk like camels and giraffes. 7. Isaac Newton created the feline entryway. 8. In 1963 a feline went to space. You've known about monkeys and canines in space. On October 18, 1963 Felicette, otherwise called Astrocat, was the sole feline to go to space. 9. Antiquated Egyptians would shave off their eyebrows when their felines passed on. 10. House felines share 95.6% of their hereditary cosmetics with tigers. 11. A house feline can arrive at rates of up to 30 miles per hour. They can hit velocities of around 30 miles per hour, which is quick to such an extent that they could beat Usain Bolt in a 200-meter run. 12. The most established feline on the planet was 38 years of age. The most established feline to have at any point lived was 38 years and 3 days old, when he died. Cream Puff, brought into the world on 3 August 1967, lived until 6 August 2005. 1330 muscles. And then some. Felines have a sum of 32 muscles in every one of their ears, alone. This permits them to turn their ears to focus on an accurate commotion. This large number of muscles assist felines with pivoting their ears 180 degrees. 14. We might be surprisingly indistinguishable. Naturally, a feline's cerebrum is to some degree like the human mind to that of a canine. People and felines have indistinguishable profound areas in their minds. 15. They are extremely famous in South America. Felines dwarf canines as pets in South America, with a tremendous measure of 73 million pet felines rather than 63 million canines. More than 30% of homes in South America own a feline as a pet. 16. Fingerprint or nose. Your feline has their own exceptional print, similar as we do with our fingerprints. A feline's nose is shaped of a novel example of edges.